The Galaxy S26 series is finally here. And this time, Samsung isn't just confident, it's fearless. For phones, one unified Galaxy, a bold new chapter begins. But is Samsung truly giving us more power, or just more confusion dressed as innovation? Because what's coming next might just redefine everything we thought we knew about Galaxy itself. So buckle up, this is the S26 series, bigger, bolder, and smarter than ever. And before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because you don't want to miss what's coming next. Galaxy S26 Pro, the reliable performer. The Pro is the all-rounder of the lineup, built for perfect balance. Powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 for Galaxy, it's faster, cooler, and more efficient than ever. The design stays minimal, around 6.7 millimeters thick, while the display hits 2,600 nits, bright enough for any light. It's that sweet spot between premium and practical. So, is the Pro the new default Galaxy for 2025? Galaxy S26 Plus, the comeback star. After skipping a year, the Plus returns, and it's back with a purpose. Now rocking a 6.8-inch AMOLED 2X display, slimmer bezels, and the same AI camera system as the Pro. Battery life gets a huge boost thanks to smarter AI power optimization and 60W fast charging. Looks like the Plus is no longer the middle child. But do you think it deserves a comeback this strong? Galaxy S26 Edge, the bold curve returns. The Edge brings back what fans have been asking for, that iconic curve reimagined. It features a floating glass design with better durability and a sleek 5.5 millimeters thin body, one of Samsung's slimmest yet. The slightly curved AMOLED 3X display and pro-level cameras make it both nostalgic and futuristic. So, would you go curved again or stay flat? Galaxy S26 Ultra, the powerhouse reimagined. And then there's the Ultra, Samsung's ultimate statement. Built with a titanium frame, a 6.9-inch QHD Plus display, and a 200MP AI power camera system. It's a true powerhouse. It's slimmer at 7.9 millimeters, packs a 5,000 milliamp hours battery, and now supports 60W wired and Qi 2 magnetic wireless charging. With One UI 8, Samsung's AI goes deeper, from real-time call translation to generative wallpapers. This isn't just a phone, it's Samsung flexing its full potential. But here's the question, is the S26 Ultra the ultimate phone, or just overkill? Price and launch. All four Galaxy S26 models are expected to launch in January 2026. Leaks suggest S26 Pro around $799, Plus at $899 to $999, Edge near $1,099, and Ultra starting at $1,299. Some reports hint at $1,399 to $1,499 for higher configurations, depending on region. But tell me, do these prices still make sense in 2026? Final thoughts. With four powerful models, Samsung's going all in, targeting everyone from the casual upgrader to the creative pro. Smarter AI, brighter screens, thinner builds, and faster chips. Everything's been pushed to the edge. And with One UI 8 debuting across the lineup, this could mark Samsung's biggest leap in years. One thing's clear, Samsung isn't following anymore, it's leading. So, which Galaxy S26 would you choose? And hey, if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming Galaxy S26 hands-on coverage. Rage.